Hey everyone, welcome to Spirituality, Enchantments, Rituals, and Jules, a modern Wiccan guide to the divine. And today's installment is on charm bags. I will be teaching you how to make a charm bag and what they are. Stay tuned, everybody. Hey everyone. So, as I mentioned, today I will be making charm bags. Basically, what a charm bag is a little pouch, which is the first thing you'll need, and you just fill it with anything that you feel serves the purpose that you want the pouch to serve. So if you're making a good luck pouch, you would fill it with anything that is lucky for you. Or if you want to make an anti-anxiety pouch, you fill it with things that help diminish anxiety, like this one I have here that has driftwood with certain scents in it, a bunch of lavender, stuff like that. You can even smell it and it helps to relieve your anxiety. And this is the other one I made for myself. This one's for good luck and has a little pattern on it. It's my favorite pouch. And I have it filled with a bunch of things I consider lucky. And then you just enchant them and you're done. So the first thing you want to do is cast your magic circle, which I've already done. You sweep the area to cleanse it, cast your circle the way I described in the video. Make sure everything that you need for your charm bags is already in the center of the circle, and then you can get started. So the first thing I'm going to add is this little piece of driftwood, which I'm going to use scented oils to make scented. The charm bag I'm making is for my grandmother, and it's going to be for good luck and good health and joy and relief from anxiety. So I'm using French lavender is what I just used. This next one is vanilla and berries. And then this next one is verveine and patchouli. And this last one I'm going to use is woody sage and sea salt. Which actually, I just reminded myself, one thing I forgot to grab, I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt, just like a chunk of it, to this as well. So sorry about that, just had to grab it from my altar right over there. So once I've covered my piece of driftwood in the scents that I need, I just put the little piece of driftwood into the pouch. The next thing I'm going to add is I'm going to find a larger chunk or two of this rock salt, since it induces calm, helps to relieve anxiety and also pain, and a bunch of other things. So I'm just going to add some of that into there. Now before this gets too full, I have a little star charm here. So I'm just going to clip that and attach it here to the top edge, just as a little charm that also works as a decoration. I also like it because my nickname is Starshine and it's a star, so kind of reminds you who made it. It's a nice little touch, especially if I was making it for me, or this one since I'm making it for my grandmother. Her and I are very, very close, so. There we go. Now I'm just going to add some different plants I have here. So I have eyebright because it's known for visions and like anything involving your third eye. some honeysuckle, and just some little purple little flowers. Honestly, I don't know what they are or what their properties are, but purple is my favorite color. They smell really nice. I find it anxiety relieving, and I feel like being my favorite color, it'll remind my grandma of me. And then of course some lavender. And I was looking for a lucky penny. Unfortunately, since pennies are no longer in circulation here in Canada, it was a little hard to find one. So I'm going to improvise with this quarter for wealth and prosperity and luck. Just a little gem I've got here. Little like stick-on diamond thing. A little charm, a little blue charm. Now I've got some green candle wax because green is her favorite color, and it's actually filled with a bunch of scented oils and from a scented candle also that I made myself. I make candles. I might do another video someday on how to do that. But green's her favorite color, so I'm just going to add that in there as well. This is a little shell that she gave me that she found at the beach. She's given me a lot of shells, and I don't mind giving her one back for the sake of her pouch. And then I've just got a little bolt to symbolize like sturdiness, fixing things, etc. For like health and staying strong. And then I've got some little crystals here. This one is green aventurine. And this one here, I'm actually not certain what it's called anymore. I looked it up the other day. It had some good properties, and I noticed I have 2 or 3 of them, so I decided I'm going to put one in for her. And if there's anything else that you want to add to your charm bags, or if you want to put entirely different things, that's completely up to you. Just do what you feel is right and best for your intention, and keep your intention in mind while you're making your charm bag. When you're done adding everything you'd like to add, that's when you want to bless it. So first you hold it in your hands and you just think for a moment of your intention. Rub it together between your hands, blow on it. Hold it close to your heart and just think of your intention strongly for a moment. Alright, then to bless it, you take your wand. I'll also be doing another video sometime soon on wands. I'm just waiting on, I've always wanted a crystal wand. I'm just waiting till my crystal wand order comes in. Then my video will be done then, once I have that. Because there's really no point in, I feel, doing the video until I have all the wands I plan to have. And you honestly don't need more than one. The only reason that I have 2 is because I had one that I first started with when I got back into Wicca. I made that one myself, but honestly when I found this one online, I added the stone myself. But other than that, it's actually a replica of Fleur Delacour's wand from Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. But honestly, it's made of wood, which is good. A wooden wand works perfectly, and honestly, if you feel a good connection to it along with any of your other supplies, that's what really matters, is that you feel connected to it. And as soon as I saw it, I felt a strong connection to it, and even more so when I finally held it in my hands. So that's the important thing. And the only reason I want a crystal wand is crystals are very good for helping to direct energy, which especially in some spells or rituals would be a really good thing. So I've always wanted a crystal wand, so I don't really use that first wand anymore, but that way I'll have both this one and a crystal one to use depending on what I'm working on. So like I said, the last thing you want to do is bless it. You don't have to use the exact same words I do. Just think of your intention and put your intention out there. So hold your bag, put your wand to it. Imagine that white light I mentioned in the circle casting video, or whatever color of light you feel you resonate with coming through you from your chakra points and your power centers, from your heart, from your mind. Feel it running through you and extending out your wand, out the tip of your wand, which you're touching to the bag and into the bag. Now you say your little enchantments. So I bless this charm bag for my grandmother, also known as my babi or babichka, Yarmila Yarushka Hamola. May it bring her health, good luck, prosperity, success, relief of anxiety and depression, and all things that are good. So mote it be. Once you've blessed your charm bag, you're done. You just want to, if it's for you, you want to carry it with you. I usually carry mine in my right pocket, so I always know where it is. You want to carry it with you on any day that you feel you need a boost from it, for whatever it is that you've enchanted it for. Anyway, that's all I have to show you today. I hope you enjoy making your charm bags, and if you'd like, you can comment and let me know how it worked for you, or comment if you have any questions. I always read my comments and I'm happy to respond. So I hope you enjoyed, and this is the final product. But like I said, yours will look different. They'll all look different. Depends what kind of pouch you use, what you add to it. Like, this is my anti-anxiety pouch for me, and this is my good luck one for myself. That way I can tell the two apart really easily. And here's the one we just made for my grandma. So I really hope that you found this informative, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know how your charm bags work out, everybody. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed my video, then please don't forget to like it and to hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you get notified about my future videos. Have a great day, everybody, and blessed be.